while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah. look away from reality. Hide behind a mask, look confused when you're asked what you've done to help humanity. It's not you, it's not me, it's all together. Try to change all the harm we've done to ourselves, to the earth, to the voice not yet heard, to the world left behind our own.
Saben, hace días haciendo un break aquí en la parte de la música. Esto, hace poco una persona me preguntaba que bueno, que Blazor Assembly, cuál es la desventaja de utilizar Blazor Assembly contra React. O sea, cuál era, me imagino que el tipo pues solo sabe programar en React. Y por eso es que hizo la pregunta de cuál era la desventaja de programar en Blazor. Eh, pues mire, le voy a mostrar aquí, pueden ver, el que es programador y tiene abierta su mente, ¿no? Porque yo he estado haciendo un proyecto en React y sí, sí, o sea, es súper chévere, no se le puede quitar, pero, eh, pero eso es como, ¿cómo le digo yo? Es como tratar, como muchas piecitas y muchas piezas están pegadas casi que con cinta. Entonces, pues como lo veo, ¿no? Perdón. Para mí yo creo que realmente Blazor nos permite esta belleza, que nosotros aquí creamos nuestro modelo y este modelo lo podemos llamar desde aquí y este modelo aquí en Netcore nosotros le podemos dar todos los atributos, darle las condiciones, mejor dicho, o sea, llevarlo a otro nivel, ¿cierto? Llevarlo a otro nivel y reutilizarlo en toda la aplicación. Pues fíjate que nosotros lo tenemos en un class library eh, totalmente separado, o sea, modular. Entonces, resulta que yo este class library domain lo puedo llamar tanto en mi backend como en mi front. Eh, lo puedo llamar dentro de los servicios, dentro de los files. O sea, lo puedo reutilizar durante todo el proyecto. En cambio, cuando tú trabajas Netcore React, eh, tienes que estar volviendo a hacer lo mismo. Tienes que volver a hacer todas las validaciones que hiciste en el Netcore, lo tienes que volver a hacer en el React. Y eso es súper cansón. O sea, eso es un fastidio. Entonces, yo creo que ya eso de que, ¿cuál es la desventaja de trabajar en Blazor? No, ya, desventaja en trabajar en Blazor, no. Ahora, ¿cuál es la desventaja de trabajar en React? Creo que esa es la pregunta que más bien deberíamos hacernos ahora. Creo que es al contrario. Las nuevas versiones, las nuevas actualizaciones, anteriormente sí, hace 3 años, 4 años, Blazor estaba muy inestable, muy pobre, muy comenzando, muy comenzando. Pero ya hoy en día, ya nosotros podemos ver que sí, pues sin ningún tipo de problema, o sea, trabaja espectacular. Ya podemos utilizar muchísimas librerías, tenemos un mundo de recursos disponibles, por lo menos antes Lift, MapLift estaba solamente para React y pues ahora no, ya lo tenemos disponible para Blazor también, lo podemos incorporar dentro de Blazor. Em, Firmas digitales certificadas como DocuSign las podemos embeder dentro de Blazor sin ningún tipo de problema. O sea, creo que está súper, súper genial. Eh, Esto está demasiado cool. Voy a trabajar con Blazor. Entonces, sí. Esto es difícil, por lo menos me han hecho entrevistas donde, pero ¿cómo haces tú para pasar? ¿Cómo haces esto? ¿Cómo haces esto? Y yo, "Bah". Yo, no, mira, esto es la mejor manera de saber si, pues, qué tal te desarrollas, ¿no? Creo que aquí es donde nos diferenciamos los seniors de los juniors, ¿no? Fíjense que yo por lo menos para comenzar un proyecto solamente tengo que invertirle 2 días. Armo el proyecto, armo mi base. Ya de ahí para adelante ya, lo demás es carpintería. Pero la base que muchas veces, pero es que para arrancar el proyecto, bueno, necesito arrancar el proyecto, eh, conexión a base de datos en Azure, la conexión a Azure, el despliegue, los módulos, el desarrollo del software. Yo desarrollo todo en Clean Architecture porque de una vez no tengo idea si el proyecto de repente vaya a crecer o no. Entonces de una vez lo desarrollo con miras a que si lo vas a expandir, el software se puede expandir sin ningún tipo de problema. Entonces, pues esa es la idea. Eh, Nada, solamente quería hacer ese comentario. Vamos a volver ahora con musiquita porque es que mientras hablo cháchara, no me concentro qué es lo que estoy haciendo. Así que, musiquita.
Try living in a world without colors. Every day going no, nothing other. But you don't really want to be gone. You just wanna feel like you belong. Is this just me? Cause I feel like this is not how it should be. But the conclusion is this: if you were to go, you would be missed. 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 You would be
Why should I be depressed? I've got enough money, I've got a job, people like me. There's no reason to be depressed. That's stupid to say there's no reason to have asthma or there's no reason to have a measles. You've got it. It's there. It's not about reason. You don't get depressed because bad things happen to you. That's getting pissed off and annoyed. That's reasonable. Depression is something that happens like weather to you inside you. One day it will get better.
try living in a world without colors. Every day going no, nothing other. But you don't really want to be gone. You just wanna feel like you belong. Is this just me? Cause I feel like this is not how it should be. But the conclusion is this: if you were to go, you would be missed. You would be missed. You would be missed. You would be missed. You would be
One day it will get better.
Sunbeams forming a shadow far afield. We're floating, just carried by levity, sensing a feeling of love through every wing. Delighted to fly on and look what future brings. Let us see 1,000 ways across. Once again, what we have lost. Each other, yeah, that we will see. If you come and fly with me. 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 Forward, slowly feeling the weight of gravity. Innocence, falling to their destiny. We keep on with this goal in our minds. Let's fly on, we'll meet at the edge of paradise. Let us see 1,000 ways we'll cross. Once again, what we have lost. Each other, yeah, that we will see. If you come and fly with me. 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 If you come and fly with me, flying along where we started, part of me will not regret. I won't forget. Stay strong, we're not departed. Endlessly, you will be free. If you come and fly with me. At midnight,
Hey, hello. How you doing, Metek? Oh, I'm really glad where you're the .NET developer. That's really cool. Um, what do you know about Blazor? Well, in this moment, I'm doing this well, making this new project. Uh, this is the base for a new project for SaaS system for multi-company. And well, what is the idea about this? Is create just the part of when you can control the companies, the manager users. Um, when when we finish this part, we are ready to create the new system. You know. Oh, well, the transaction manager. Yeah, well, I control with the transaction manager. I can control all the commits and the rollback transaction in the SQL server. And in that way, uh, avoid layer transaction without any control inside the SQL server, you know? We can do it. We can do it too with how call that a pattern. But I prefer use transaction manager because I can identify um, um, each transaction in each method. You know, for that reason I do it that way. Let me show you. For example, in app services in the state service. Let me see if I do it here. Get update. Yeah, look at this. You see, I I I put in this the transaction and I declare the begin transaction over here. And if everything is okay, when I create or update the register inside the SQL server, then I do it the commit in the SQL server. In that way, um, everything is okay. If maybe appears some kind of error, I capture it over here in the with the catch and doing the rollback transaction. In that way, for example, I create the register inside the SQL server, but for any kind of error, he putting erase that transaction, and doesn't matter in the SQL server in that moment. And I created that way the integration integrity to the SQL server. Well, I how to say, you know, you can do it. All of this you can do it with a pattern. You know, you can take all of these the try catch and the transaction. You can put in a pattern and take away from the all the method. But I don't know. I prefer in each method I implement the try catch and the transaction because I don't know. I think where I can control everything in best way, is more clarity, the way how you can fix a problem in the future. When you implement a pattern, yeah, you can reduce a lot of lines of code, but sometimes is a problem because a pattern can hide some kind of error behind that pattern. And if you can track in the future somebody new to develop to continue the develop of the software, um, that guy maybe can found a resist to continue that software, or in some time don't understand where you did it in the pattern, or how do you implement that pattern and say, what the hell, let's go to do this and create a Frankenstein, and in that way start a snowball, problem behind problem, and continue the problems. Yeah, sure. Yeah, any question? Yeah, don't worry. This is the netcore. In a few minutes, I'm going to start creating the front end in Blazor assembly. I really like work with Blazor. I prefer that over React or another other frameworks like JavaScript. I really like Blazor assembly. It's, I don't know. I think what is going to be the future in SaaS integration or SaaS implementation. Well, I think so. No? Because reduce can reduce how do you can duplicate the models either in the net core and the same time in the front end. For example, when you use React, you can't reduce that duplicate of models or the validation. With this kind of solution, it's just in one place. You can, for example, in the model, let's go to see over here. For example, this here. I have the corporation model, and over here I can put in here all the attributes that it's at the same time is are the validation, you know. And when you work Netcore and React in your model over here, you can create this attribute with this validation, but in the React you can do it again one more time, creating the interfaces. Oh yeah, you too. That is, yeah, yeah. I was learning React, you know, but was a headache, man. A really headache. Because yeah, you can create. Let me show you. I have a little project here in React, but do you know? I think maybe could be the way how how we learn how work with React. For example, in this project, I try to copy the warehouse work Blazor. I I, I try to create recreate the same way how Blazor works, you know, and put it here in the React. That's way that how works Blazor. And for example, look at here. Let's go to see. I don't know. Maybe let me show you pages login, for example. Uh, I saw so many courses about React and show us how to implement, for example, the CSS to one view. Here we have the login TSX, and this is the code. But if I wanted to implement over here the CSS, in some guys showing in YouTube and Udemy and other places show you how they use, for example, here. Let me see here. This he don't call the CSS in this way. Just he called import styles from and where is the root of the CSS. But when you do it that way, in any part of you using the class name, you need to put in the style dot and the CSS, and that is a problem. And I resolved this in this form in this way. Look at this. You see, this is my CSS. I call the same name of my view and just change the station. It doesn't in this case TSX is going to CSS. And I put in the my style over here, and I'm putting in the same folder. And I don't know, maybe I think that it could be, but in any way, I prefer work with Blazor. Yeah, because look at this. We have the model over here, but I can share my model in in the both projects in the backend in the .NET Core and the same time in the Blazor, no, and all the validation where I put in my model works for my backend and for my the same time to my front. I don't know, and I don't I have done a project when I did three solution no three projects inside the same solution, .NET Core, Blazor assembly, and that was a Windows form. Uh, yeah, that was a Windows form, and in just with the model, with what model in the domain over here, for example, here, sorry, here in this with this model, I can share this model in the same in the three projects. That was so really nice. Well, I have to finish this part. Let's go to see. Everything is okay. Okay. Well, okay. Let's go to work now with the here the controller. Okay. In this moment, I am working with you know this project is something already what I have done. It's already done, and I copy the base, so the base part, create the new project, and when everything is work, uh, just the principal part, um, and just in that moment, I start create to create a new project, no new code, new CRUDs, um, new controllers, you know. Okay, data. Let's go to copy the data. This helper create principal. see. Oh yeah, I need this one. I already have codes where help me to reduce time, to develop a new solution. And that is the idea when you have a few couples of solution where you already have done, you had an, I think where you can reuse all that code, and that is the difference between a junior and a senior, you know? Okay. Well, I'm going to copy these three folders. Um, okay, let's go to put it here in the backend. Okay, we're doing these three folders. Let me show you. Okay, first of this, for example, the helper I using for can for validate the token. I received the token from the front end or from the app. And when I already received that token, I send it to this to this class, and this class just give me back the what is the operating system, what is using the user, what is the IP address, what is his the role, what else? The browser, if you are if are using a browser, what kind of browser? Google Chrome, Chrome, Edge, no, you know, Mozilla, all that kind of information. For that, I can use this information because maybe I can reduce the use of the software for a specific IP address. I can use this code for that. Okay, let's go to fix this first. Okay, project domain, X language. Yeah, perfect. It's working. Okay. Why you give me that? Da, da, da. Okay, perfect. Do you have any question? Just go ahead. Okay, let's go to see. Okay, this one, the labs, and the formats. Okay. Okay, let's go to see. I don't have this yet. I can delete all of this. Yes. Okay, the entity data entities. No, let's go to delete all of this. Service. Okay. Service X. Yeah. Well, I use this class to create. Do you know to to create all the injection uh, in this class? After putting all the injection over here, I put inside the program. Okay, because I don't want to a big program. You know, I saw people were putting all that inside the program, and that is a huge program where I have so many lines of code, and sometimes when you're trying to looking for what is going on with a bug, you're trying to looking for that error inside that program and say, "Oh my God, what is this? What are doing this the other things?" For that reason, I use this one. I declare all my injection over here, and after that, I put it inside the program. Okay, almost done. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Info registration. Okay, that's the same idea. Declare all the services we're going to need inside inside the services, or the methods we're going to create the solution. Um, After that, I put inside the program. You know, in some way, is I think what is the when you're trying to put in order in your solution, in the future, any problem where it can appear uh, in your software, um, I think where it's more easy to try to fix it. Yeah. Pum, 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 pum. I already have this code, Excel parser, Excel exporter, and already putting inside because I don't use this anymore. Because this is already done to the in case of the well, the major time the user asking you about it create reports or that it could be exported to Excel. With this Excel Explorer is a code where you can create a generic model. In base with that generic model, you can create the Excel and export already export to the user. So really easy. So it's all really easy. You just need to create um, the solution. Let me show. Let me see if I have a sample over here. Yeah, I think it's where I can show you this part. Just give me a moment. Let's go to try here. service. Okay, this is another project. Okay, look at this. Let's go to point here. Now this is the services. Yeah. So interface QC, implement QC. Yeah. Daily services, general. Mm, update. I have here this for no. Here. Controller. QC. General controller. Show file. Show file. Delete file. User study. Update fiber. I don't remember what I put in there. Delete file, show file. I'm not sure it's this one. Let's go to see. Go implementation. Go implementation. Develop. Now, send notification. Well, this send notification is because I create a bot for Teams, Microsoft Teams. I design a bot where I can connect my solution with the team of the corporation, you know, and where you each did it some kind of modification or in the register. I give some kind of condition, and depending of that condition, he sent that notification to the Microsoft Teams to the user. That's really cool. This is about well, let's go to see. Let me see. I don't remember. This is too big. QC the controllers, show files. No, it's a general. I think so. Okay, pages. QC. QC general. This is the QC general. Okay, here. Let's go to see the index. Okay. For filter, download QC general, Excel general. Look at this. Okay, let's go to see the roots. Root. Well,
it and run. I just need a way out, a blinding light, no need to fight. I must find a way to leave, a way to breathe, Oh, I just wanna escape. They won't understand that this world is nothing but a game for us to play. They won't understand that this world is nothing but a game for us to play.